Everyone, hopefully you're all staying safe and healthy. Today I want to go over with you about your website messaging again during COVID-19 crisis. And typically as a consumer, doesn't matter which type of business you're in, whether you're home improvement or funeral home, the first thing that people are always trying to find out is, are you opened or not? That's always in your question, is when they go on your website, they're trying to figure, are you in business? What's going on, right? So it's got to be very, very clear messaging wise on your website. Are you still open or not? If you're opened, right? Are you 100% opened? Are you doing business a little bit differently, right? So I'll give you some examples here. So for example, in the home improvement sector, based on which state you're in, the terms and conditions, of course, are going to be a little bit different. So in the state of California, right, it's still 100% totally fine to be doing business as usual. So when somebody comes to this website, for example, they put down fully open for business call today, right? And the message is very, very clear that we are still 100% open, fully available to you, including in-home consultation installation. But while we can do business 100%, right, our employees have been meticulously trained in our recommended precautions, right? But basically you want to know that, hey, our employees are safe and we'll keep you safe as well, right? But this message is very, very clear that we're still 100% in business. The biggest reason here is, for a fact, more people are actually searching these days online because they're working from home. So, right, while they're working from home, they're looking around the house, looking at more projects to work on after this whole COVID-19 crisis is done. So what they would do, right, as they go online to start doing a lot of research, is they're trying to figure out, are you still in business or not, right? Because a lot of businesses are shut down, right? So this is a good message, especially it's a pop-up, okay? So that's why I'm a huge proponent to pop-up. When somebody comes to your site, they know that you're still 100% open. And nothing dark at all. Nothing reminding them about COVID-19, right? Because the whole COVID-19 messaging, yeah, we all are getting numb to it. We get tons of emails about COVID-19 crisis, their terms and conditions, how they do business, but right, not trying to not tell them about COVID-19, how you're handling it, but this copy is specifically telling them, hey, we're still 100% business, right? A few more examples here. For example, right, this one here, same thing. We're open for business and available to you. So in the state of Washington, they have to do, they cannot do in-home consultation anymore. So they're leveraging video conferencing technology to do one-on-one consultations over the internet, right? But again, the whole thing here is we are still 100%. It's just how we're doing business is a little different, right? And that is what I would advocate the funeral industry to do as well, right? If possible, again, it depends on the website, ideally should be a pop-up letting families know that you're still 100% operational. As a pop-up, I see most of your home websites by now, they all have some way of messaging on their website about COVID-19, but ideally should be a pop-up letting people know that you're still 100% right, operation. Again, based on your state, right, that you are still 100% operational and how you guys are handling COVID-19 cases. Okay, so just want to let you guys know, first of all, people are coming to your site. The first thing they wonder is, are you in business or not? Are you open or not? Right? They're not trying to figure out, hey, how are you doing things differently? Is, hey, are you open or not? And they just want to call you. Okay?